Hello everyone, and welcome to Vinnie the Bear's Corner of the Forest. Today is a very special day because we are turning our little neck of the woods into a science lab. That's right, it's time for Vinnie's Science Blast. My friends and I are ready to become scientists for a day, and we want you to join us on this amazing adventure. We're going to explore the wonders of science with some super fun, easy to do experiments that you can try at home. But remember, this is very important. Always have a grown up with you to help and supervise. Safety first, science second. Our first experiment is called Rainbow in a Jar. It's pure magic, but it's also science. We're going to see how different liquids, like honey, dish soap, water, and oil, have different weights, or as scientists call it, density. We'll carefully pour them into a jar, one by one. Watch as they stack up on top of each other without mixing, creating beautiful, colorful layers, just like a rainbow wrapped in glass. It's incredible to see how the heaviest liquids sink to the bottom and the lightest ones float right on top. Next up, get ready to be amazed by our homemade lava lamp. For this one, we'll use a clear bottle, some water, vegetable oil, food coloring, and a fizzy tablet. First, we fill the bottle mostly with oil, then add some water. They don't mix, right? That's because of density again. Then we'll add a few drops of our favorite color. Watch how the color sinks through the oil and mixes with the water. Now for the grand finale. We'll drop in a fizzy tablet and wow! Look at those colored bubbles rise and fall, just like a real lava lamp. That's a chemical reaction creating gas that lifts the colored water up and then it sinks back down. It's so mesmerizing. Now let's play with some colorful milk magic. This one looks like a work of art. We'll pour a little bit of milk onto a plate, just enough to cover the bottom. Then we'll add a few drops of different food colors all around. It looks pretty, but here's where the science happens. We'll take a cotton swab, dip it in a little bit of dish soap, and then gently touch it to the center of the milk. Whoosh! The colors burst and swirl away from the soap, creating beautiful, vibrant, and mind-bending patterns. This is all thanks to something called surface tension. The soap breaks the surface tension of the milk, causing the colors to race around. For our final experiment, we're going to make a classic, the baking soda volcano. What a cool way to wrap up our science day. We've built a small volcano model, but you can just use a bottle. Inside, we'll put some baking soda, a bit of dish soap for extra foam, and some red food coloring to make it look like real lava. Now, are you ready for the eruption? It's time to add the secret ingredient, vinegar. Pour it in and stand back. Fizz, bubble, and overflow. The volcano erupts with red, foamy lava. This is another awesome chemical reaction. When baking soda and vinegar mix, they create carbon dioxide gas, which builds up pressure and erupts just like a real volcano. Wasn't that a blast? We learned about density, chemical reactions, and surface tension, all while having so much fun. Science is all around us, in everything we see and do. All it takes is a little curiosity to start exploring. We hope you enjoyed Vinnie's Science Blast and feel inspired to try some experiments of your own, with a grown-up, of course. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop learning. Thanks for joining us today, everyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures with me and my friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.